Hi, this is Virginia Drew. One of the questions that comes up quite frequently is, what is SAS affiliate all about? What is included in the product? And I'd like to show you that right now. This is a look inside my my account, and it shows you all the modules in the course: introduction, pregame. They tell you how to pick affiliate products, what would be good ones to promote and what would not be. How to pick keywords once you have a product. There's certain tools that they use that make picking keywords easier. Writing content, how to write content, and if you don't want to write it, where to go to get content written for you. They also have templates that show exactly what is supposed to be included in the content, because that's one of the toughest parts, is trying to figure out what you're going to write. You know what you're writing about because it's a product, but you don't know what it is that you're actually writing. And site building, it talks about how to go into Groove funnels or Groove pages and actually build a site. It's like a look over my shoulder type of thing. And then they tell you how to build links. There's a couple of links that they recommend, which is YouTube, create a YouTube video, put that YouTube video on YouTube, Facebook. And then there's another place, if you're in a really, really competitive niche, there's a place that you can buy links, but you really don't have to do that most of the time. See, Groove Pages is designed for SEO, and the pages load really, really fast, which is a big thing now for Google. They love pages that load fast because most people are using mobile devices. And so this, the pages load really fast, and also they tell you what you have to do in order to optimize the SEO for each of your pages. So usually you're not going to need to buy any links, but if you do need to, then they tell you how to do that. And then they give you a lot of templates to use to build sites, so you really don't need to be a creative sort, which I'm not. They just give you templates that you can modify for your product. There's trainings that go through step by step. They start you, actually what they do is they start you off with 3 affiliate products that are good to get started with. And one of them is this SAS affiliate. One of them is Groove Pages itself. And then the other is another product that Barry Plaskow promotes, which shows people how to sell products on eBay. But so they go through step by step how to promote these products. They give you templates to use to create the sites. They show you what keywords you can use, and then they show you how to find your own keywords too. So they basically go step by step and go through from start to finish how to promote these products. And then you can use the knowledge that you learn from these 3 products to go on and promote any product that you want. So I think this is a really great, and they also have a Facebook page where Jason Calori, who is he's a SEO expert, an affiliate. He's doing like $500,000 a month in affiliate income, and he shows you exactly what he does and what you can do. So he's one of the ones that's in the Facebook. He's actually runs the Facebook group, so he's there every day answering questions. And the SAS affiliate program is named after a elite group of British special forces, kind of like the Navy SEALs, but it's a British group, and their motto is "No person left behind." And that's kind of the philosophy behind this program. If you have any problems at all, they will go do anything they can to help you out. And I've had a couple of issues from time to time, and they've always been right there to help get everything straightened out. So Like I said, I think it's a really great program, and this is what you find when you are in the members area. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you there. I hope to see you in the Facebook group.